Hello, hello. I thought I would quick pop on here and talk a little bit about getting organized in a chaotic world. Number one, I'm going to give you a couple of tips here too. Welcome, welcome. My name is Sue and I'm from Minnesota. So the first tip I want to say is learn what your color personality is. And I will post that down below, what the website is for checking your color personality. So there's blue, red, green, and yellow. And blue personality, like me, we're all about fun. And when it comes to work, oh gosh, we all of a sudden love to disappear, right? Well, anyways, in this chaotic time we have right now, sometimes you can get so, especially for blues, we're already disorganized, colored personality, and we can get scattered super quick because we're all about fun. And as soon as the fun is gone, it's no more fun. So then we want to disappear, right? So one thing I found through this time is I really had to get organized. I really did. And so you have to find a system that works for you. And so I took a little bit of time and I got my office all reset up. Took my husband hauling some of my big cabinets back from the basement where I had some of my products on and got them all in here so that I can just like flip through stuff and know what I have in stock and I don't have in stock in a heartbeat. So that was my first one, is finding, that I can be organized quicker in a shorter space and have everything handy. Second, you need to have some kind of a system where you can track what you're doing and know if you're doing things that are productive or stuff that is sabotaging you in your business. And I want to just give a shout out to one of my good friends, Jessica Corcoran. She just had a baby, so please don't inundate her and ask her about this because her baby's only days old. And she is like a heart of gold. And anyway, she came up with this book. It's called There's an Oil for That, and it's a quarterly one. This is my last one that's going to somebody, but I bought all the left of this quarter because when I started applying myself, not to the first one I bought from her for the first quarter that I'd gotten for the last of last year, but this one, when I found I really applied myself to this book, it made all the difference in the world for my business. It keeps me on track. Number one, I set up my computer space, my computer area, that when I sit down, the first thing I face is this spread out with my daily agenda. First thing in the morning, I add things that I need to do. Like I had to go to the post office and deliver send off 3 boxes. And next, I knew I had to do some yard work, some housework, because when you're home, it's like, who's going to see it anyways, right? But it still needs to get done. So I was like, okay, scheduling in time frames and find out what works best for you. I'm finding, you guys, this is really fun. I got this old timer some years back at some store, and I love it. So I set it for half-hour intervals when I'm at the desk. And it's my reminder to get up, get my, liquids in, refresh my self, get up and walk around and do something other than just sitting work, like at a desk, staring at a computer with just not for your physical body, but also for your eyes to give them a break. So this is my third tip, is having something that keeps you on track to, like this sound, tick, 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 is a great reminder for me. It's huge reminder for me that I've got to keep moving, because blues, we get so distracted on everything. Like I can see something on Facebook and boom, and as soon as I hear the tick tick, it's my little gentle reminder that, hey Sue, get back on track. So having this book, like I said, has helped me, you guys, and I'm not doing it to brag, I'm just saying it to get 10 flip kits done 10 flip kits moved this month. And it is the 24th. Normally I have maxed out at about 5 in my biggest month ever. And, moving 10 is a lot of work. As you guys know, trying to do 1 is work, right? So keeping focus and helping yourself keep on track is huge. And again, like I said, I wanted to give a big shout out to Jessica Corcoran for doing this book. It is such a fabulous tracker book for just not just your minute things or every half hour putting in here. But it's also for your action plan sheet for the quarter, tracking your weeks. What are you doing? Are you doing stuff that's productive to get you further in your business, to getting sales, to getting IPAs, right? You know, those important things that need to be done and not busy work. She also has, you know, tips and tricks on how to do some of this work, which is so important. But back to keeping organized in a chaotic world, it really helped me when I'll reiterate those 3 tips. Number 1, got my office reorganized. The space, whatever you're going to use, have it as your space for getting business done so you stay on track. 2 is having something as a little gentle reminder to keep you on track. Like I say, that little tick, tick, tick keeps me moving. And 3rd, having this in front of me has helped me. All of these 3 tips has helped me keep on track for someone that's a blue personality that gets distracted super fast. So find things that help you keep organized. Whatever they may be totally different things. Like I also have a little timer that has a 5-minute, and every 5 minutes when I'm out and about, that one I can clip on my pants, my jacket, my shirt, whatever, because I can't haul this one around as easy, right? But it's at my desk. So the other one is, I think it's a Pampered Chef one, and it has a magnetic, but it's also a clip. So it clips on to whatever, and every 5 minutes, like I said, it beeps at me so I know, whoops, okay, I'm in 15 minutes in, so now I got 5 minutes in, 10 minutes in, 15 minutes, as I'm out doing yard work, out doing other, you know, stuff as I'm moving around. It's right with me, reminding me of my time. Because you guys, that's one thing we can't get back in our business is time that we whittled away, right? We all know that. We go through our times. We go through our ups and downs and valleys of business, and it's okay. But when people need us, people need to hear our message. It's so important to keep on task, right? So if I'd not been on task, I wouldn't have been able to change 10 more people's lives for the better. So just wanted to share those 3 quick business tips for you to keep organized in a chaotic world. If you have any questions, just comment below, and thanks for watching. Hey Ann, hey Bidget, thanks for popping on. Satu, Sara, and Doris, thanks for all popping on and watching. You might want to go back and see those 3 tips because they were really good, what helped me keep organized and not falling off the train. So talk soon. See you later. Have a great day.